Hey, what's up? It's Matt, and I'm back bringing another video on affiliate slash CPA marketing. Hope things are going well. Hope you're doing well. Today, this video is on the best spy tools for CPA and affiliate marketing. Depending on where you're at as far as your journey in affiliate marketing, you may be a beginner, intermediate, advanced, not sure where. But this is usually for beginners because they're not familiar with this stuff. Maybe even intermediate people aren't familiar with this type of software that I'm going to present to you. But spy tools are definitely essential when it comes to getting the most bang for your buck as far as when you're doing advertising. If you already know that an ad is working, then you can go and get that ad, replicate it, and put your own stuff on there, and basically know already ahead before you're going to start advertising that you're going to make money because you know the ad, what they're making, how much traffic they're running, things like that. So I'm going to go through the top 5 that I think are the best, and you make your decision whether you want to go with one of these or if you want to find something else. But I try to break down the cost and anything else that's added to it. So first one is AdPlexity. It's an all-in-one spy tool. It is rather expensive, to be honest with you. It's $199, and that's just desktop. And what's a little confusing is right here, you click on either mobile, desktop, or native, or API, and you can only go with one. So I don't know if there's a way you can purchase 2 and get a discount, but I think when I'm looking at it, you have to click on one, and then it's $199. So desktop's $199. Mobile is also $199. So if you wanted both, you're looking at paying $400. I don't know if there is some type of discount. They don't have any free trial right now. So, the pluses and minuses. AdPlexity is an all-in-one tool. You can get basically everything that you need as far as what's being run, what kind of ads, the details, the descriptions, things like that. So $199 does sound like a lot, but if you're going to make that back rather quickly, it's not too bad. The next one is Anstrex.com, which is this one. Mace basically focus on native advertising. And the pricing actually is very, very good. It's probably something that would be good to look into. Its cost starts at $39.99, and then it goes up from there. You can see the pricing is right here. Starts at $39, goes up from $40 to $49, $59, and then you can see what you get with that as well. So the benefit with this one also is that they have a free trial offer. I don't know if it's 14 days or I'm not sure how many days it is, but there's a free trial offer. It may even be only like a day or two. But $39 is definitely a good price, especially if you're just starting out, or even if you're doing it to try it for a month. Spending $39 as opposed to $199, big discount. The next one, What Runs Where. Now this one's rather expensive. But again, it's an all-in-one advertising tool. Pricing is $299 to start off with. That's desktop and native. And you can see everything you get when you look into this. And then it goes to $399, and then it probably jumps up pretty big for this enterprise as well. So you're looking at $299 a month for desktop and native. It's actually cheaper because it's combined. It's cheaper than AdPlexity. But you don't know until you actually try it out to see which one is better. Again, there isn't a free trial for this one, so you're looking at $299 to test it out. Always can talk to customer service to find out if your questions before you make any purchases. And the next one is AdBeat. Cost is $249 a month. All-in-one tool as well, so it's cheaper than AdPlexity and What Runs Where. Starting at $249, there are different prices. So the standard is $249, then it goes up to $399, and enterprise is even higher. And you can see in the $249 what you get with all that as well. So it's an all-in-one as well. And then the last one that I'm going to talk about is Espresso, and this is only for Facebook advertising. So if you have any Facebook ads you want to run, before running them, you want to see what's being run in that general niche. You want to see what's being profitable, what's working. Then Espresso is a good idea, and it's only $49. It does go up, but it is $49, and there is a free 14-day trial. So you can test it out for 14 days, see if it's going to make you money. Again, $49. If you're going to run an ad and you can make $10 a day in 5 days, you've covered the cost of the software. So that's it with this. The best spy tools for CPA marketing: AdPlexity, Antrix, What Runs Where, AdBeat, and AdEspresso. Check them out. See which one is the best for you. I do like AdPlexity, but again, $199 is kind of a stretch to start off with. If you can maybe start with this one, Antrix, and then start making some money, and then go to AdPlexity if you have the money. It's something to look into. So that is it for this video. Hope you enjoy it. Check out my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Yes, take care. All right, have a good one. Bye.